I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming essential prerequisites: power, connection, and access rights. Once those are in place, open the app and select Add Device. Make sure Bluetooth or Wi-Fi is enabled on your phone. Pair Panda Zzz by following the on-screen prompts and enter the device ID or scan the QR. After pairing, set a short PIN and enable backups. This gets you past the first hurdle and into the device's main control panel, so you can proceed to configuration. Once paired, you configure Panda Zzz to match your workflow. You should calibrate sensors immediately, place it on a level surface, and follow the 0. 5-unit test routine to correct offsets. Then set operational modes, schedules, and alert thresholds. Make sure to enable 24-hour logging if you need history. Next, link the device to cloud or local storage and turn on OTA updates so firmware stays current. If you plan automation, map triggers now so actions execute reliably without manual To finish, run a complete test cycle and verify logs, alerts, and expected outputs. Don't skip this verification. Make sure Panda Zzz is mounted securely, cables managed, and the backup PIN or device ID stored in a safe place so you can recover access quickly. If something goes wrong, try a controlled reboot and repair first. If the issue persists, confirm firmware is current. Only then perform a factory reset. This sequence resolves most problems and preserves your configuration whenever possible.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.